Guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video here, we're going to be doing an update on the vegan stock, meatless stock that I own, the Very Good Food Company. I've actually invested another $10,000 into this stock, buying the dip personally, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys why I am doing that, as well as some possible reasons why we are seeing a dip in the first place with this particular stock. Real quick, guys, I do have a few disclaimers to make here. First of all, I am not a financial advisor.
Welcome back to Strongman Personal Finance. I'm Christopher Bell, certified public accountant, long-term boglehead investor, author of the book Stop Being a Broke Loser, and hater of stupid stocks, especially soy boy stocks. You hear that? Yeah, I'm whispering into my microphone. Soy boy stocks, like the Very Good Food Company. Now, I came across this video where Ryan SCRIBNER, the dork that you just saw at the beginning of this video, with his tattoo on his beard, he's such a bad boy. Ooh! Ryan SCRIBNER just put another $10,000 into this garbage company. Now we're gonna watch some clips from this video, and then we're gonna talk about this garbage freaking stock that sucks so bad that it literally gave me a headache looking at the numbers, okay? And watch his justifications. You'll see his justifications. Watch how he explains the stock. And tell me one reason why you would possibly even consider buying something as stupid as this.
And you should always do your own due diligence above and beyond this video before buying or selling any stocks. Also, guys, this video is sponsored by the Very Good Food Company. However, this does not in any way...
Oh, what a paid shill! This video is sponsored by the stock that he's pumping. Now, look how morally bankrupt this freaking shaggy bearded, stupid tatted loser is. He will pump the worst stocks on you just to make a quick buck from frickin' companies sponsoring him. What a frickin' loser. I could totally see why he has 750,000 subscribers. Wow. Hero! Loser.
Influence my thoughts or feelings on this company.
Oh, not at all. No, it didn't influence me that they paid me. What are you talking about?
They reached out to me many months ago about a potential sponsorship opportunity, and I said, well, I want to try the products myself because I actually have shifted into being more of a sustainable eater myself. I don't eat any meat or chicken.
Man, we got us an actual soy boy here, ladies and gentlemen. An actual soy boy. Now I'm excited to see what he has to say.
I eat some freshwater fish, mussels, clams, shrimps, a little bit of that, which is the saltwater type of seafood. But other than that, I am plant-based and, some eggs, but mostly plant-based stuff. So I've been exploring these products myself. I've tried the foods that they have. I've ordered it many times since then. So I really like the company. So I ended up doing a sponsorship with them, and so I've taken that money and my own money as well and invested it right into the stock for a multiple year long-term investment.
They probably gave him $9,999, and then he put in the extra dollar to make it $10,000. He put in his own money, ladies and gentlemen. Oh God, how do you people not see these people are just scumbags? How do you not see it?
But I just wanted to be fully transparent with you guys and upfront about that relationship I have with the Very Good Food Company. Also, guys, quick...
I wonder if they've paid Jeremy LaFufu.
Note here, I have been having an issue with a lot of spam and scam comments down below. So if you do see me interacting with you down there, make sure I have that white check mark. Otherwise, that might be some type of impersonator looking to scam you. So moving on.
I mean, your audience is dumb enough to fall for that. I could totally see why you have a bunch of scammers.
On here, guys, let's quickly cover the basics of the Very Good Food Company here in the US, trading under the symbol VRYYF. So this is a $218 million US market cap, making this a small cap stock. and it trades on the over-the-counter markets.
Wow. You know what, guys? The smaller the company, the smaller the market cap, the more these freaking clown YouTubers can influence the stock price. So they're getting paid to pump this stock by the very good food company for whatever reason. Maybe they want to issue more stock. Maybe their executives have stock that they want to sell on the open market and make a profit off you, that these freaking loser YouTubers basically hoodwinked you into doing, okay? This is really sketchy. Look how small, $218 million market cap. I can see why Jeremy LaFufu and this idiot are pumping the stock. They can buy it, they pump it when it shoots up because all their fans buy it, then they can sell it. Oh, I'm such a genius. Look at me. I made so much money. I called it. They'll create a pump. If this stock pumps, it's because they created it.
It was a Canadian company that was founded in 2017, labeling itself as a plant-based food technology company. They're involved in all aspects of the business, including design, development, production, distribution, and the sale of plant-based meats in the United States and Canada. And they also offer products via wholesale as well as e-commerce web.
I like how they call themselves a food technology company. They're not just a food company, they're a tech company. That means you can just pay whatever price you want to, even though they sell food. But they're a tech company. Let me guess, are they disruptive? Are we going to see disruption in this presentation, dickhead?
Website. So in my last video, guys, which I'll put up in the corner, which was a few months ago, we covered why I was investing in this stock based on the vegan megatrend, which is just wherever you look, anywhere you go, we're seeing more vegan options, more people are becoming vegan, and it doesn't mean, again, this isn't just a product for vegans. I'm sort of a hybrid vegetarian, a little paleo, whatever that would be called, where you pescatarian.
Oh, I don't know what my diet is. Everybody's becoming a vegan. Oh my god, so just buy a company no matter how unprofitable it is. I'm right, SCRIBNER.
Whatever, I'm my own thing or whatever, but there's a lot of people with different diets, and many of those involve less animal products, which means more alternative products are going to be in people's diets.
So it almost sounds like there's a lot of competition in this industry. It's almost like these companies don't really have a moat. That's interesting. So highly unprofitable, and it doesn't have a moat. Because you got paid.
We also talked about the competitive landscape in the US, because keep in mind, this is a Canadian company that's going to be coming into the US market. There's some big players here in the US that may not be looking to give up their market share so easy. And we also covered the financials of that company based on their most recent quarterly earnings report. So if you want to check that out, guys, that's going to be linked up down below, or the card.
Good old Tattooed Nutsack. My favorite company. That's the only stocks I own. Tattooed Nutsack and Very Good Food Company. I like losing money.
Card is up in the corner. So starting off here, guys, looking at the performance of the stock over the last year, it is up 83.12%. But what we found here is that they had a massive run up in November 2020 into early 2021, where they went up to $7 per share. There was some profit taking, another run up here. Later on, probably in February, brought it back to, high sixes. But then from there, it was a falling knife, and has still been a falling knife thereafter. Again,
past performance doesn't matter, scribbles. And you know what's funny? I bet a lot of you clowns over here, when it went up to 7, it crashed. You're like,
buy the dip, because when a stock dips, it always goes back up.
And then it went back up for like a week, and then now it's been down ever since then.
Buy the dip!
I understand being in smaller cap stocks, greater risk versus reward, but as somebody who is an avid user and consumer of the product, I like the product, and I think it's going to do extremely well here in the US market once they have fully rolled out that distribution.
Oh, and because I got paid to make this video.
With the wholesale business. So in my opinion, I think people may have gotten a little bit excited a little too early with this stock, and then it took a little bit of time for them to get the gears turning, and so that's why we've seen this, slide here with the stock, aka what might be a falling knife.
I wonder if some YouTubers were pumping. I really don't know. I wonder if some YouTubers started pumping. I need to go check around October, November, maybe September 2020 and see who was making videos about this company. Suspicious.
Now, of course, there is potential for that stock to fall further, but in my opinion, I was buying this in the $3 range, so at $2.18, if I liked it at $3, of course I'm going to like it at $2. So I'll show you guys at the end my full position in this stock, what my cost basis is, and the additional $10,000 that I've put into this stock, just to be as transparent as possible. But yes,
You're so transparent. You're so amazing, Ryan. I love you. Take my money and invest it for me. Unprofitable companies. Massive share dilution. That's what I want, because it's the future, bro.
Understand that in the past year, just other than that first run-up and then that rally thereafter, it has been a little bit of a falling knife. So
just
if
a little
you do decide to invest, I would say be ready to dollar cost average rather than doing a lump sum investment if you do like the company.
You can dollar cost average down to 0.
So why is very good food company stock falling? Well, like anything in the markets, you're never going to get any real answer for sure, but I can provide you with some speculation based on real factors that we can look at. So number one could be this fear of a high value.
All right, I don't need this idiot to read the slide. So let's look at this. Possible reasons why it's falling. I wonder why. Fear of high valuation. Market cap is currently $218 million, which is 47 times sales. So divide that number by 47. That's how many sales they've had. Sales revenue. And then that's not even including profit. You have expenses in your business. And then they have the competitors. Beyond Meat, 17 times sales, and Tattooed Nutsack, 10 times sales. I mean, I'd rather buy Tattooed Nutsack than this freaking garbage. I'm not buying any of them. Not currently profitable. So 47 times sales. Not currently profitable. Loss of $12.5 million. So, let me do some quick math here. And that's just in a quarter. God, that's not in a year. That's a quarter. So let's see how much sales revenue they had. They had $4.6 million roughly of sales revenue in 2020. And they lost in one quarter $12.5 million. Think about that return. What is that, negative 400% or more? It's fucking horrible. Burning through cash. At Q2 2021 end, the company had about $6 million in cash versus $25 million at 2020 year end. It's almost like they could potentially go bankrupt there, scribbly wibbly. Now, you also mentioned something else. We're going to find that. Where is it? Latest news. Let's see the latest news.
Hey, if you like the taste of something, if it generally tastes better than the competitors over time as people explore these different products, I think they're going to find, okay, the Very Good Butchers, part of the Very Good Food Company or the Very Good Cheese Company, they may find that, these are options that they prefer.
They may, they might, if, maybe, oh, we lost a ton of money. Oh, price to sales, 47. Oops, no profits, losing massive amounts of money. Oh, share dilution. Oh my God, burning cash. More current liabilities and current assets, which means they could go bankrupt within a year. But it doesn't matter. I wonder why they're pumping the stock. If they're potentially going to go bankrupt, maybe they're trying to pump the stock price so they can issue shares at an inflated valuation and then keep themselves alive so they can burn more shareholders' money. But I'm just a hater. Let's see. Revenue. Okay, here's him looking at revenue. Wow, the revenue went up. 355% growth. Well, I was right. See my math? 6 months into June 30th, 2021. So $4 million. It doesn't matter, okay? Revenue can go up to infinity, but if you're losing money, if you're losing massive amounts of money, you're going to go out of business. Look at this, net loss. So their revenue, they went up by 355%. Let's see how much their net loss went up. Revenue growth, that's all that matters. So net loss, $27.5 million. Divided by $3.5 million. So their revenue went up by 355%. And their loss got worse by 785%. See what I'm saying here, ladies and gentlemen? Wow. Ryan, you're so amazing. Oh my God. All right, so where was it where you talked about, I don't care about the production facilities. 2 strategic partnerships. They announced in June 2021 they partnered with Fresh Prep. Wow, okay, I guess I'll just buy the stock now and just ignore the numbers. Additionally, in June 2021, partnership with Copper Branch announced. Largest plant-based restaurant with 40 locations across North America. Wow, man, that's really going to make up for that $27 million that they lost. Here we are. Here's some of the risks. Let's see what this idiot has to say about the risks. It's just a small risk. Just a small risk.
Awesome. That being said, guys, there are, of course, risks with any investment out there.
Just
Here are
risks.
some of the risks as I see it with Very Good Food Company, but of course, there are many that go above and beyond this as well. Number one, liquidity risk. The company is currently holding about $6 million in cash, while they have about $9 million of current liabilities. So in the next year or so, they're going to have to either raise more money.
Wait a minute. So they might not have enough cash to pay off their short-term debts. They may go bankrupt within a year. Maybe within like 8 months, 9 months. Wow. I'm really seeing why you like this company. All right, I'm freaking done with this idiot. Let's go look at the financial statements. That's boring, strong man. Shut up. Now, here's what Ryan Scribbles was talking about. So here we have the balance sheet. We have, as of 2021, June. So God knows what's happened over the last, 3-4 months. So total cash 3 months ago was, he's right, 6 million Canadian dollars. Total current assets, 16, but a lot of those are prepaids and inventories, which are hard to liquidate. Okay, then we have current liabilities, 10 million. So cash, 6 million. Current liabilities, 10 million. Wow. I wonder how bad they're doing now. I can't wait to see their next financial statements. Let's look at the income statement. Profits? Not quarterly. I want to see annual. Annual income statement. It went from 1 million in revenue in 2019 to 5 million in 2020, and then over the last 12 months, 9 million. Wow. But their operating income went from negative 2 million to negative 36 million over the last 12 months. Oh my God. Earnings per share, negative 3 cents, negative 21 cents, negative 42 cents. Man, this is just a freaking slayer. I can totally see why Jeremy LaFufu and this scumbag idiot are buying it. Probably because they're paid. Weighted average shares, basic, 72. Oh, wow, they bought some shares back, and then they issued a ton more. So they went from 72, and now they have $91 million shares outstanding. Probably after all these idiots pumped these stocks, and then they were able to issue shares and make some money. Cash flow. Let me guess, negative operating cash flow and positive cash flow from financing activities. Negative cash flow. So they burned $1 million in 2019. And over the last 12 months, they burned $22 million. So their revenue was $9 million. Revenue, that's before any expenses. And then they burned $22 million in cash. Oh my God, it's so amazing. Common stock issued. $2 million in 2019, $24 million in 2020. Guys, this is disgusting, okay? Ryan Scribner is a freaking moron and a paid shill. The only reason he made that video was because they paid him. This company is horribly bad. Horribly bad. Looking at this now, I'm even more disgusted by people like Jeremy LaFufu and this freaking moron Scribbles. I'm vegan. I have a tattoo. I'm a bad boy. Look at my beard. Your beard looks like crap. Shave it. Anyway, this company's garbage. Don't buy it. Don't invest in it. Screw you, Ryan Scribner. You're a scumbag. Screw Jeremy LaFufu. Screw the vegan movement. Screw soy boys. And y'all have a wonderful day. Choo!